So today we're going to the vlog. Okay, let's vlog. Oh.
Opo. Nano nga. Ilang kayo dyan?
Arin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ayan. 12. 12.
Regina, lagyan mo.
7, 8, 9, 12, 14. Let's eat. Okay guys, let's wait. Let's fight.
Kulang pa sila ng isa, mama. Kasi nila alam kung sino darating. Saan yung mga mga bata?
Kahapon, ma'am.
Si Regine!
It's birthday,
Nasa ko si Regine?
Final got inside. Let's play playground. Let's play seesaw. Mamaya. Let's go. Aray. Let's go, guys. Let's go inside. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh, look. It's a dinosaur. Bulbasaur. Pikachu. Pokeball. Ash. Ouch. Charmander. Let's go inside. This is our stuff. Let's go inside. Ouch. Yung game, guys. That's the game. Cave cottage. Guys, we are here. And we are studying. Hi, let's go see Elsa. Hello, Elsa. Looks scared. Wow, guys, this is slide. Guys, look at the slide, guys. Oh, wait. That's a slide. Ala, Darna, guys. That's Darna. Subway of the Philippines. Batman. Oh, yung kay bunga nga. They're so noisy, guys. Ew! Hoy, bye-bye, Lot! Oh, guys. There's no water. There's one stone guy. Captain America. Captain America. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Thor. That's Thor. 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 That's Thor, not Papa Jesus. Who's that? Who's that? Look, that guy. I don't know who's that. Iron Man. We got Iron Man, guys. This is the video like up from the Philippines. Okay, it's the garden. What's this? Bamboo garden, that's what they call it. Let's go, guys. Let's go get to our room. Look, the horses. Look, the horses, guys. So pretty here. Let's find our room. Hello, kitties. Right? That looks scary. Hello. Up here. Look. Sige pa. O bata. Look, Doraemon. That's Nobita. Si Nobita. Tama pa. Nobita. Let's go, guys. This is our room. Oh, this looks ugly. Bro, it's ugly.
Kung lalabas lang po sila sa may gate.
May gate pa doon.
Opo, may gate pa dyan. Kasi yung gate dyan po puno ng damo. Kaya baka maayaan po.
Kaya kayo malikot.
Hindi ka niyak.
Let's go sit down, guys. Let's go sit down. Oh, bro, my boo-boo's blooding. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. So, we're going to swim in the part 2 video. Bye, guys.